Welcome. In this video tutorial, we'll see about the action bar, how action bar is efficiently created in Android development, app development. Okay, so so action bar is another important feature of Android. So this action bar is just like the traditional title bar. The title bar is always located at the top of the device screen. So likewise, this action bar is also located at the top of the device screen, and this is used to display the application icon and the activity title. Okay. Activity title. Besides these two, on the right hand side of the action bar, we can display on the right hand side of the action bar, we can display some additional elements like search, navigation, that is up arrow or down arrow to move to the front or back page of the app. Then this menu, three dots, which is used to show the menu. So these things are added, these items are added at the right of the action bar. So these items which is added at the right hand side of the action bar are called as action items, So action items are nothing but the elements which are added on the right side of the action bar. What are the action items that can be added on the action bar? So on the right hand side we will be adding a search, as you would have seen a lens symbol, that is the search one. Okay, with that image denotes for search. Then navigation, either up or down arrow key to move from the previous or go for the next page of the app. Then three dots which denotes the menu. So these are the action items that can be added to the action bar. So the basic action bar contains the application icon. In this image shown here, we haven't shown any application icon, only the activity title is shown here. So the activity title is my action bar. So action bar displays the application icon and the activity title. Optionally, on the right hand side of the action bar, we can use to display some additional elements. They are called as action items. The additional items can be search icon, then navigation. For navigation we can use either up arrow or down arrow key, and then we can have a menu. So here three dots is showing the it is a symbol or it is a icon. On pressing that, menus will be shown. So this is the part which tells how to add a action bar to the app. So this is the coding part. Here we have used set support action bar, the letters which are given in bold. So this is used to either show or hide a action bar in your output of the app development. When it is given in the coding part, then an action bar will be shown in the output. If this particular line set support action bar, within brackets you are giving a toolbar, right? So if you are missing this line in your coding part, action bar will not be shown in your output. So the command or the method which is used to show or hide a action bar is set support action bar. So So as we have shown, now we will see what happens after removing the bolded line from the main activity.java file. So this coding should be written in the business logic file with the name, it should be with the name main activity.java file. See, after removing that particular set support action bar, the particular action bar title is not appearing because action bar is removed, that is hide, it is hidden from the user's view. So that is why the title is not shown here. So when you execute the above code by removing the bolded script, action bar will be removed from the app. So on executing the above given previous code which is stored in the main activity.java file, after executing this, the app will hide the action bar from the user's view. Okay, so this is the way we can hide or we can show the activity file from the user's point. Okay, next one is we want to show how it works. So this is as I said, this particular action bar is shown or hidden from the user's view with the help of the function set support action bar method. Okay, next one is how to add the action items to the action bar. So as we have seen in the just before, action items are nothing but action items that are added to the action bar at the right hand side are called as action items. So what are the action items that can be added? A menu can be added, a search icon can be added, a navigation bar can be added. So these elements are called as action items, and these items can be added to the action bar in the right hand side. So action items are nothing but shortcuts to some of the commonly performed operations in your applications. So this is the coding part for adding the action items to the action bar. Here in our case we are adding a option that is menu to the action bar. So that is why we are giving a coding on create options menu, and what are all the options that should be added in the action bar is given here. So item 1, item 2 is added here, item 3, item 4, item 5 is added. So on executing this output, we will be getting the output like this. So here you can see this is the item 1, this is item 2, and since we have created 5 items, only 2 is shown. So the width of the screen is available to show only the 2 items of the menu in the screen. So remaining 3, 4, 5 is hidden from the user's view. So how you will visualize the hidden parts of the menu? So 3 dots are there. When you click that, item 3, 4, 5 is shown. So such a type of menu is called as overflow menu. So overflow menu is nothing but overflow menu is nothing but some of the items will not be shown to the user, and it will be hidden from the user's view. So in order to view the rest of the elements of the menu, you have to click the three dots. So it will be showing the hidden elements of the menu. So such a menu is called as a overflow menu. So on devices that do not have menu button, an overflow menu is also represented by an icon with the arrow. So if according to the versions that is used for Android app development, this overflow menu will be displayed as a icon with an arrow or by dots like that. Okay, so this is how the action items are added to the action bar. Okay, next one is so this is, you can see the rest of the items. So this is known as the overflow menu. So the next one is the same action bar. With the same action bar, after changing the orientation of the screen, we can see the app's icon, menu icon, is displayed for item 1, item 2, item 3. Then for item 4 and item 5 is shown. So completely all the elements of the menu is shown, since the app's width of the screen is in landscape. So after changing the orientation of the device, there is an enough space to show all the elements of the menu. So it is displaying, it is showing all the elements of the menu in the action bar itself. So first 3 items are shown as a icon and 2 items are shown as a text. So change the display orientation of the emulator. This emulator is nothing but as we can see the as we can execute the app and view the result in 2 ways. One by using a emulator, and another one is by connecting a real Android smartphones to your PC and viewing the result on that. So if you are not having a real device, we are going for a virtual one. So that is emulator. So changing the orientation of the emulator to landscape mode, now we can see the 5 items that is added in the menu. Okay, so 3 with icons and 2 with the text on the action bar. I think this video tutorial would have cleared the doubts and the concepts about action bar. Thanks for watching.